Hi Boilermakers, we're coming to you today from Ross-Ade Stadium with our new American flag. Here's your Purdue News Now 1-minute update. Thank you to Boilermakers across the world, raising $95.5 million from more than 34,000 gifts on the 13th Purdue Day of Giving. That includes a $20 million gift from the Ricks Family Foundation to establish a Daniels School of Business Institute and a $7 million gift from Bill and Sharon McFadden to support engineering scholarships. A major new addition to Ross-Ade Stadium. To celebrate America 250, Purdue has installed a 160-foot tall flagpole. It's among the tallest flagpoles at any U.S. university. Purdue and LEGO Education are offering hands-on AI and computer science training for Indiana middle school STEM teachers. A workshop will be held July 23rd in West Lafayette and is open to Indiana STEM educators serving grades 6 through 8. And TechPoint has named President Chiang as the Indiana tech sector's 2026 Trailblazer. 3 other Purdue-led or supported startups or initiatives also won top awards during TechPoint's 2026 Mira Awards Gala. Have a great week, good luck on finals, and as always, Boiler Up.